Hey all, I wanted to add an addendum to this video because I'm getting a lot of comments saying that they're having trouble getting GitHub pages. So another thing that happens, and it's quite common, is that if you accidentally name your index.html file something else, including uppercase I, so if I name this uppercase I, it will not work. It will not work. GitHub won't see it. And the other problem is GitHub won't know how to fix this because it has trouble seeing uppercase. So even if I change this back, if I have already checked that in with an uppercase and I just try to change it to a lowercase, guess what? It will not work. So here's how you fix that. I'm going to go to this file and I'm going to rename it something completely different from index.html. So I'm just going to do something like caps fix. So index-caps fix. Now, if I go to GitHub and I do a git status, this is what happens. It thinks that I'm deleting index.html. This is a good thing. And it thinks I'm adding a brand new file. So we're going to do that. Git add dot git commit minus m fixing caps problem, whatever you want to put. Okay, push that up. So as long as that gets pushed up to GitHub, now it thinks that index.html doesn't exist at all. So then you can go back to your index file that you have named something weird and rename it back to lowercase index.html. And then recheck that in, and GitHub will be none the wiser. So now it thinks, okay, I'm adding a file and deleting this other file. So I'm going to git add that, git commit minus m fixed caps. Cool. And I'm going to push that up to GitHub, and that will fix your problem. You want to do a hard refresh on the browser, which is Command-Shift-R or Control-Shift-R if you're on a PC, because it will cache, but that should fix your problem. Between that and choosing the branch, as long as index.html is in the very top directory. Okay, thank you. Hope this helps.